That's what's gonna happen, but it's gonna be on the other side.
I just got done replacing the upright bolt that my professional driver decided to bend yesterday during testing, and yeah, it's back together.
So you look like a kid on Christmas. You want to explain what's going on here?
Oh God! I get to drive a Class 1 car. Of course you're excited. It's better than Christmas.
I'm ready when you are. Oh, he'll move. Getting better. He'll be good. He'll be A++ by the end of the day. Hasn't missed a shift yet, so that's a big thing. And hasn't put us over the limit.
So, you addicted?
Oh yeah. Oh
He's
yeah.
always been addicted.
Now I gotta find a sponsor. That's the question. It's looking pretty good. All those parts are still on it. Yeah, me and my interviews.
How's that spindle going?
The spindle's looking perfect. The bolt's still straight, so I'm happy.
Yeah, I get it. By the end of 120 miles at Laughlin, he'll go through some of the roughest, nastiest desert we race on, and he'll have something figured out by then. Either that he wants to do it a lot more, or he don't want to do it at all. Cut. Okay. Sounds high quality.
You gotta get smart water if you want to be smart.
Yeah, but mine has electrolyte enhanced pH water, 9.5.
Mine's gonna have ketones in it.
And today.
Pretty good.
Gonna be even better after that ice cream. Oh, Haagen-Dazs ice cream bar and some fancy water. Nothing too serious. Ice cream's good for the soul. A little cold on the teeth, but yeah. And so on 3 text messages with 3 words. 1 word for each text message. That's the most level piece right there.
Oh God, you guys already talked.
Well, we already talked
Well,
about
we
it.
did.
What? So you want me to nose in there?
If you nose in, yeah.
Well, that way it'll block
Because-
all the wind out of there.
And the trailers, we can unhook. So, I mean, those, if we park them this way, it's real easy to either pull them in.
Oh, then my shitter's out here, so if I gotta get it dumped, I can have it dumped
You're right there.
on the road.
Yeah. But basically, if we leave the box truck where it is, tie the caution tape up to it, and rope our area off.
Yeah.
I think I'm gonna run out of tape before I get there. We always stayed in the Colorado Bell.
It's not my first race. It's my first race driving. It's great.
Hey guys, we're here at, just finished up at registration. I got the UTV got entered for the Laughlin Leap, got all the drivers, navigators all signed up. There's 4 race cars, 6 different drivers, riders between everything. So we're done here, time to go get a steak.